Got a weather maker, Carrier 92% efficient propane furnace here. Got an issue with the condensate draining from it. It's designed. So we got this collector here, and you can see it's kind of filled up with a bunch of gunk. And there's a little bit of condensate dripping out. We're going to go ahead and rinse this out. See what happens. See if that fixes our problem. Quite a bit of gunk coming out of there. Got it hooked back up, all cleaned out. The little basically trap. Water goes into the bottom of it, fills up, and then overflows here. That fills up with sediment, starts overflowing, whatever, leaking. You can see it kind of corroded this fan quite a bit. Propane, natural gas, condensate is very corrosive, so that's why you got to keep up on your maintenance.